budgeting, designing your space, and hiring contractors. Here are all the important questions you need to ask yourself before starting that bathroom renovation.
Most people have a ton of questions that they need to be asking themselves before starting a project. Like, what do you want this to look like? What are your needs versus your wants? And who you're going to hire to help you do the work. So now we're going to go over some of the best questions to be asking yourself before starting a renovation.
All right, so you're diving into this bathroom renovation, and that's awesome. There's a list of questions that you need to be asking yourself. I've got my little list here. Let's make sure we don't miss anything. So the first big thing is, what do you want your dream bathroom to look like? We're talking styles, colors, finishes. There's a ton of options to go through. And honestly, Pinterest probably one of the best places to start out there. The next thing you need to be thinking about, is this gonna be a full gut? Are we taking this thing down to the studs? Is this gonna be more of like a DIY renovation where we just kind of take some things out and replace what's already there with new features, and we're not changing the skeleton, the location, the layout, things of that sort? Are you gonna need any extra storage? Do you maybe wanna do a full 5-piece bathroom where you've got your separate tub, your separate shower, things of that sort? Are you gonna need to be moving plumbing? Are you gonna need to be moving electrical? Are you gonna need to be adding light fixtures, things like that? Are you gonna need to add a second sink? Are you going from a single vanity to a double vanity? If you make that from a single vanity to a double vanity, now maybe you need to add a second light fixture, a second vanity light. Maybe you need a can light added in the shower. Maybe you need a vent fan in there because this bathroom doesn't have a vent fan. There's other things that you need to think about, like maybe a heated floor. Tons of people are going after heated floors in their bathroom these days. What are you comfortable doing yourself? Are you comfortable adding that heated floor? There's a lot of details to it. Maybe you need to bring in an electrician. Maybe you need a tile guy to help you out with that. Are you doing structural work? Do you need a framer? Do you need to have a design consultant? Do you need to have an architect? Maybe a structural engineer? All these different things, questions to ask. You need to be thinking, what is my budget? What type of money do I have allotted to be able to spend on this? Do I want to spend $10,000 to $20,000? Do I have a limit where I can't spend more than $12,000 or $15,000 or whatever that number is? Do you need a contractor? Do you need a general contractor to help you plan and go through this process? They can line everything out. They bring in the experienced guys. They get it done quickly. They get it done well. You know it's done right. Do you need to go get permits? Is your city, your county, your municipality, are they going to be requiring you to get a permit for this project? Your contractor, speaking of contractors, are they licensed? Are they insured? Do you have references? Do you have referrals? Have you seen some of their previous projects? And one more thing, how long is this going to take? How long can it take for you? Do you have another bathroom you can use while this project is happening? Because, brushing your teeth, taking the shower, using the bathroom, all these things you got to keep in mind.